Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, M.A.J. Customs. If you are new here, I'm Amanda. Today, you guys, I will be pressing some images on a dark blue and a black shirt, 100% cotton, both of them by Gildan, using the matte HTVRont. This is Sublimation HTV for dark fabrics. Okay, this is the matte version. So don't get confused because the matte and the glossy packages look alike. This is the one that's glossy, okay? And when you purchase it, it'll tell you, let's see, this one just has Sublimation vinyl new. Okay, this one doesn't tell you on the back that it's glossy, but this one tells you in the back that it's matte, okay? So when you go, I don't know, it won't focus, but when you go to purchase these off of Amazon or wherever, make sure it says what you are trying to purchase. The glossy one is gonna have like a green backing, like a, yeah, the backing to that one is green, and for the matte one it's gonna be white. So this is what I'll be using today, is the matte, along with my heat resistant tape, along with my A-Sub 8.5 by 11 sublimation paper, and I won't be using no cutting machines, simply just some scissors to cut the images out. Okay guys, all right, so let's go to the computer so I can show you all the images that I got. Okay everyone, so real quick, these are the images that I will be putting on the dark blue and the black Gildan cotton shirt. They're both 100% cotton. The original way that I purchased them was this way they were facing, and you want to go ahead and just offset your image. Okay, so we're going to go over here to the right hand side, click on that little star icon, hit offset. Now if you guys already know this step from the other video that I did using the HTVRont glossy vinyl, then you guys can go ahead and skip this step. But for those who don't know this step, all we're going to do is offset our image, offset both of them. Okay. For the size of the images for these, because these t-shirts are extra small, I think I mentioned it in the beginning, I did my images 7 by 7 for the Rugrat one, and for the teddy bear, he's also 7 by 7. Well, Rugrat's a little bit bigger. He's 7.1 in height and 7 wide. Okay, so offset both. Now you want to make sure that we have them lined up, or not, and just flip, because we got to mirror both of these, okay, in order for it to work. All right, okay, so I am going to do the vinyl cut first, you guys. You guys can do your sublimation first or your vinyl, whichever you prefer, doesn't matter. It's just I already have the vinyl out, so I'm gonna go ahead and load this up onto my mat. And for the settings for the vinyl cutout, you guys, I already have it for my last video set, okay, for the HTVRont matte. They have their blade depth though at, these settings was from the HTVRont clear sublimation that I have already stored. But for this specific vinyl, they have the blade depth at 10. Okay, blade depth 10, force will be 8. Speed will be 5, and passes will be 2. Okay everyone, so I'm just weeding the images out. I just want to show y'all that you just got to pull a little bit, but be careful you don't rip your image. This is the offset, and you guys, the settings are so much better than they were when I first started using this stuff. They did correct their settings. I mentioned that in my last video. All right, okay, so here it goes. This one, you guys can see it. All right, and then I'll just weed out the other one. But you guys, I had no issues in weeding. Okay everyone, so for the next part we will be doing the sublimation image. Again, remember that both of these are mirrored. Okay, so make sure they line up. Mine line up just fine. So now we can just go ahead and hit the print. I gotta resize this, so wait a minute. Print. Oh, I gotta change my settings in Silhouette Studios too, so cancel this. I'll use the Epson 7720 printer, so I gotta go in and hit the, I'll do the second tray. I'm gonna use 8.5 by 11 because I didn't go but 7 inches by 7 inches in height and width for the image, so that's fine. We're gonna go quality high, reverse, take that off, go to more options, custom advanced, ICM. We're okay with that. Take the high speed off, hit okay, hit apply, hit cancel, and I have to change my page setup here. So we're gonna go ahead and take off the machine. It's gonna be none. Whoops. And this will be media size custom. And again, we're using 8.5 by 11 paper. Okay, so it changed it. Okay, so now I gotta center him. That's fine. Now I can go ahead and print. And there we go. And this is how the image was when I purchased it. Okay, you guys, so it's not cut off. It's not nothing that I did. That's just how it came out. All right, now let's hit print. All right, so I'll show you the image as soon as it comes out. Okay, everyone, so my sublimation images are printed out. I'm going to cut off this excess paper on the bottom of them. Here they go. I think I'm going to put the teddy bear one. I'm just using my scissors, you guys. Nothing fancy. I think I'll be putting the teddy bear one on the blue t-shirt. Now I'm just cutting my design, you guys. I'm cutting it as close to the image as possible to give me a good idea when I go to place it on this vinyl. Okay. You gotta be very, very, very careful. All right, so I'm gonna finish cutting my designs, you guys, off camera, okay? And then I'll be back when I'm done. Okay, everyone, both images have been cut out. I had to be careful with this bear image because he's got like a little bit of hair coming up from around his ears and stuff. So yeah, I had to be really careful with this one. All right, so the first thing we will be doing is tacking the vinyl down, okay? I will do the teddy bear first. I already have my t-shirts creased in half. I did them off camera, okay? So both are creased, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on the heat press. Now for the tack for the vinyl, we're doing 300 degrees for 10 seconds, okay? Okay, you guys, real quick, I just want to let you guys know something. Before you tack your vinyl down, okay, this is the glossy side, this is the sticky side that's gonna go laid on your shirt just like this. Your sublimation design is gonna go on top. Make sure you check this before you actually press anything, because when I first did this for the very first time, I accidentally forgot to mirror my offset and it was off, so I had to do it over again. So yeah, just make sure you check it before you press it on your shirt, because once this stuff goes down, it's not coming up, okay? And I decided to change it. I'm putting, I don't know what the Rugrat name is. I want to say it's Chucky, but I'm not sure. But anyway, I'm going to put this one first, all right? So I got the vinyl already lined up over here, and we are going to tack it, okay? And I think I already set it 300 degrees for 10 seconds. All right? So yes, you always want to check your designs before you press them, especially if you're doing an offset, because you can simply mess that up. All right, here we go. All right, and this is a cool peel. I'm almost certain it's a cool peel, so I'm gonna set it to the side, you guys, and then I'll peel it when I get back. All right, you guys, so before I change my settings, because you know when you do sublimation, you gotta up the temp. So I'm gonna go ahead and press the second one. And again, I'm just eyeballing this. All right, if you're new, don't eyeball it. Use a ruler. Fold your image in half, like so, crease it or whatever to kind of give you an idea where your middle is. All right. All right, so I'm gonna go about right there for this one. All right, I think I'm good, you guys. All right, same 300 degrees, 10 seconds, and then I'm gonna let both of these shirts cool down, and then we'll put the sublimation design on them. Okay, so both shirts are cooled down. Get you guys in here. Be very, very careful. Not so bad. It's actually pretty easy. Just be careful. I'm just holding the vinyl down as I pull the clear sheet off. Okay. Okay. And then the black one, same thing. All right. Okay, so now after I peel this clear film off, you guys, we're gonna up the heat press to 392 for 50 seconds for the sublimation designs, okay? 392 for 50 seconds. Okay, you guys, so both shirts are pressed. I just gotta put the black one to the side to cool down. This one should already, this one's good. This one's a warm. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my God, that looks so nice. Look at this. Oh wow, that came out really good, y'all. I'm excited. I can't wait to do the wash test on these. Look at that. Okay, and this is the matte. This is the matte vinyl, okay? And you guys know, if you guys don't know, I did one on the glossy. If you guys want to go check that one out, I did an AI image and I printed that out on a glossy vinyl from HTVRont. But oh my gosh, and it's soft, y'all. Just waiting for this one. All right, here we go. Wow. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Look at that. Oh wow, look y'all. Look at that. And again, I tried to line the image up with the offset as good as possible, okay? So remember, sublimation doesn't print white. And this is why this vinyl is good, because you get the white where it needs to be, okay? So just keep that in mind. So look at this. And this is, oh, I'm too far down. I'm sorry, guys. Okay. Okay, everyone, so that's all for this video. I was really surprised on how these came out, you guys. If you guys like this video, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you all in the next video. Stay blessed. Bye.